back again. I did 2 shorts, but I needed to change the landscape view so I can upload easier. I'm going for a walk on a trail. It's been a couple months since we've been out. And I think I'm going to stay on the outer parts of the trail today. Gotta get my adrenaline back and my stamina. And today we'll just enjoy the scenery and the nice windy breeze. It's about 70 degrees outside, just under 70 actually. All right. I hope everyone is doing okay today. There's Machetta. I wonder if I'll see any. Oh, this isn't much of a path. Oh, I better not. It looks kind of slippery. It's been raining the last few days, so I don't want to get stuck in a muddy mess. Oh, yeah. The grassy meadow. It really is a lovely day today. Okay. You know what? We're going to do our minute of silence a little bit early. It's just nice, quiet. I don't want to lose that breeze. Alright, so for that next minute, let's just, I guess, have some silence. Alright, I'll talk to you in a minute. Ooh. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, that was nice. I wonder if I'll see any nature types today. There's a runner coming. This is a nice day for a walk. When I get home, I think I might do some cleaning and or organizing, or I might just binge watch some shows. Oh my gosh, I see a path. Let's go see what it is. I don't think I've seen this one before. Or if I have, I don't remember it. It's a little muddy. I can feel it. It's soft under the ground. But yeah, it goes around. Oh, it's just a little path. Or maybe I have been on this before. That's a little divot, yeah. Okay. This looks like a little, I don't know, what would you call that? It looks like there's a small hanging over there. And then it's, I wonder if a water source used to be there. Oh, how interesting. There's someone passing, but it's so pretty here. But there is someone walking, so I'll let him pass. Oh, this is nice. I love these things. See, there's a hill right there that goes all the way down. Looks like water may have ran off into here. That's so interesting. Look, there's a broken area there. Okay, let's take off. Let's go back. Maybe one day when I get some boots, I might go see what's over there, but okay. Okay, there's someone up ahead, but it's like behind us. That's where we came from. This is where we're going to. Okay, he's around the area. Okay. Oops, this is downhill now. I don't know why this is one of my favorite parts of the trail. It looks like a rose rock. Like you could put little figurines and create a story like they live on a cliff. Another area. It looks like maybe those are leaves. It looks like there was a straight path down that way. Yep, and it went right into here. I think this was a water source too. Sort of dried up right now. Yeah, there's the pipe. Yeah, this is supposed to be where water drains off, and it drains off heavily. Yep. All right, yep. I just went down and uphill, if you can see it. That's all downhill. We came up and now going up and down a curve. It's so nice. Oh yeah, here's a big drain off. Oh, that's interesting. There must be a strong root structure right there. The water went around it and around. That's so interesting. Oh, yeah. I bet you that looks interesting when it's filled up. The water and the rocks create a, I want to call it water rafting source. Waterfalls, maybe? A ripple of, yes, rippling. Oh, I love this part. It's so nice. So much going on. Oh, here's a path. Ooh, it's soft. I don't want to go too far. It's not very strong, sturdy underneath my feet. Yep, it veers down. Oh, yep, it goes all the way down. Wow. This, wow. I can't tell if I can see more paths because there's no growth or like green, but I've never been here before. Yep, I want to go down. Look, do you see it? Right there, there's a bird's nest. Yep. Oops. Ow. Thorn. I better be careful, there's a thorn out here. Yeah, do you see it? Right, oh, it's right where that, see that hole in the lip? Right above it, it's right there. And this, there's a thorn tree. Oh, there's thorns everywhere, yeah. I'm not gonna go down there. Yep, thorns everywhere. See, I gotta be careful. Oh, it's so interesting. Wow, let's go back. I'll need to, oh, these are berries of some sort. I never eat them on the road, but it's so cool that they're still there. I'm so glad I found that. Okay. Now we're on the outer parts where there you see mostly just highway on the left. And so we'll go to the right. The last time I was here, there was a possum walking by. I'm so glad I got sunglasses. The sun would be so in my face right now. I mean, it's still in my face, but you know what I mean. I wouldn't be able to see as much. I love the breeze. Alright, and there's someone behind me. See, my footprints are on the grass. The other sound are his, or theirs. No, I usually go straight. I'm gonna go right today. Let's see what's over here. have been this way. That's right, there's a bench right there. Oh. And now I know there's thorns, there's more. You see it? There is a pathway. Starts here and goes straight up and around. And that way. So I'm listening for those footsteps to see if they're... I don't hear them. Okay. Oh, here's a bench. It looks like... I don't know. It looks like it... Oh no, it had damage from the storms. Yeah, that's too bad. So I'm not going to sit on that. Okay, alright. Oh, there's another path right here. Right through there. You see it? I'm not walking on it, but I love all these paths. The sun is directly in front of me, and when I have to peer over my glasses just so I can see. Wow, it looks, it's not a branch. It looks like it varies down. No, it's not, it's the branch. I love that. All these, I think I commented last time that this must have been a great flooding place. And they created all of these mechanisms to divert the water flow. It's probably promoted the root structure's growth. Yes, because all of that is downhill, all that parts I saw, and that would make sense. I'm hoping there's a trail that veers left. I think my favorite part, well, I call it the dark forest, but it's not a dark forest. In my mind it is, because it's the largest wooded area that I know. I'm in Oklahoma, so I definitely know there are much bigger actual forests. So if you hear me call it the dark forest, it's just my interpretation, because I just don't live near a real forest. But I understand the distinction. Let's see, all fields, trees. Ooh, what's that we've got? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm wearing tennis shoes and that's downhill. I don't want to be walking on that. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get some walking boots and go. I'm gonna need to go down there. Oh, look at the clouds. The street is, oh, this might not be clouds, it might be from an airplane. I could go right, but I want to go. Yes, this is it. See, this to me, I call it the dark forest. And I call it the dark forest because when I first walked this trail, it was pretty close to dark, like, and there was no sunlight coming in. And it was kind of creepy, but I love the dark forest. There's someone coming up, so you'll get the quick view. Highway, dark forest. Wow. And this is the inner part. There is an outer trail that goes up and around. We're going to go down to the left and come out on the other side of the outer parameter of the trail, because that's the highway through those trees. Oh, this is my favorite. You know, I keep saying it's my favorite part because the sun can't get through here. It doesn't blind me in the eyes. And the trees, look, they're massive to me. And look, there's something hanging out over there. This is so fascinating. I still don't know what that is, but I see it every time I come here. There it is. Okay. And here is water. There's a bridge right there. And there's water. Not very active. Oh, water over here too. Woohoo! So nice. The tree fell down. Tree fell. I guess saying tree fell down sounds redundant. I think the tree fell means the same thing, because saying the word fell means it went down. I mean, is it possible for something to fall up when gravity applies? Ooh. I've been down here before. I'm not going to go far. I can tell. It's wet up there still. Oh. And the river Sargento. I'm calling it a river, but it may just be... yeah, it's a river. There's a bridge. Nice ledge. I think there's it's an animal that lives out here. Alright, well, I've been walking for about 30 minutes. Well, I should say I've been out here for 30 minutes. I walk about 20 minutes a mile. However, I've been distracted so often, I doubt I went that far. There's someone behind me. That's why I was quiet. I thought I heard something else, but it was footsteps of someone. Okay. I'm just going to be quiet for a few minutes to see if I hear anything worth looking into. So we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do another minute of silence, okay? Shh. Breathe in, breathe out. I went this way. Okay. Oh, I remember. That's why it looks a little different. I came out down this way instead of going up my normal way. So I'm going to backtrack and go up because either the sun's shining in my face, I didn't see it, but there's another trail that I've seen that comes somewhere. I'm going to walk backwards because it's my favorite trail. Hopefully it's not gone. So I usually see it going this way. And maybe this time I'll see it. And it could just be because I'm wearing my sunglasses with the glare. I didn't find the entrance that I usually see. Wait. I found it. It was definitely the glare. Okay, I remember it. I walked this. It's my favorite part. It's obviously a trail, the terrain, but I think something happened and the water pushed through it. And this is the path that lets me go deeper into the woods without thorns or branches in my way. And there's been a change. Someone moved this. I don't remember that being there. That's right. I remember going down. I touched that tree. This is all new. There's either been a natural shift or someone came out and moved. Because there used to be a blockage where I could not go any further. But see, yes, this trail goes. That's another thorn. I need to be careful. It goes down and out. But that's kind of cool. Someone moved. I can tell, yeah, they piled it up. They moved it. Is someone clearing the trail that used to be? That's so cool. This is going downhill and it's not very, yeah, it's too loose. I don't want to go down there. I'm so curious to see what develops here. Yeah, there definitely was a shift in the trail and they moved all the Yeah, it used to be blocked right here. I didn't want to go, so I went across and I touched the tree just to say I touched it. Oh, and now that's so cool. Oh, all right, I feel good. I feel fulfilled. Yeah. Oh, that was so nice. I was hoping I'd get to see it. All right, now I am gonna start heading back. Whenever my head will tell me when I need to go. I start feeling pressure in my brain. I get migraines. So I have my water. I'm just gonna walk back to. It's gonna walk back. And I'm going this way because I get to go back through my dark forest again. Yay! There's a bird. That's what I heard. It's feeding. Do you see it? Straight ahead. If you keep looking right in the center of the screen, there's a bird. It's feeding. Oh, if I stop suddenly look in the trees, it's because I heard rustling about and I want to see if I can catch wildlife and it's in the natural habitat. Alright. I've entered my dark forest. The sun is not in my eyes. Oh, so nice. And that's a path that goes to the meadow. Okay. And this should take us right up to the front of the park. That breeze is so nice. It's only highway on the other side. I don't hear any cars. That's what it looks like, the highway. I'm so glad it was a nice day to go for a walk. Oh, water. See people coming up there walking their dogs. So onto the path, you're gonna see this view. The terrain I'm on right now. I don't like that table.
Samson. This way. Samson. Samson. Come on.
Dogs are so cute. Okay. There's a park bench. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm going uphill. Okay. Now, okay. Let's go straight up to the left and reach the end. That's where we went. Okay. Once you get around that bend, I'm gonna stop the recording. Because everything else in front of that is just a parking lot. Oh, what a nice time. Okay. Let me go and get to that tree head. All right. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the walk. Have a nice day. Remember to have a moment of silence, take a breath, and your secret's safe with me. Love ya, bye.